Assalamualaikum guys. In this video we are learning about the demonstration of delimiters. So we had already learned what is delimiters. So to learn delimiters you need to watch my previous video was named as what is delimiters in my channel Stars Edit and Learn by Passion. So to more know about myself, better you visit my blog called Stars Edit and Learn by Passion.blogspot.com. Link has uploaded in the description. So, the demonstration of the delimiter is nothing but definition is of the delimiter is the combination of symbols or the symbols in the programming is known as delimiters. In Python also has the delimiters. Every programming has the delimiters because every programming is based on the structure, the tokens, the delimiters. So here to demonstrate delimiters, I want A equals to 12. Here the equals to symbol represents the delimiters. Understands guys? And I wanted to print out if the parenthesis I open here is also a delimiter. Less than equals to, here less than equals to is the combination of symbols and that is also known as the delimiters. Here the colon also represents the delimiter. Print is a keyword that uses the output statement in the Python. Hello. Enter the parenthesis which is also a delimiter. Else that is a keyword. And print keyword. Hello. Let's say what the output. The output is hello because the value of A is 12. Equals to symbol represents it as delimiters. Less than or equals to symbol also represents the delimiters. Greater than or equals to symbol represents the delimiters. Everything the symbol is known as delimiters. For example, I want to declare two variables at the same time, a comma c which is equals to 10 comma 19. Here a comma is also a delimiter, equals to symbol also delimiter. Here comma also a delimiter, and 10 and 19 are the values of the variable. So here's how you could be able to print, you could be able to implement the delimiters in the program. To more learn about this kind of concepts, stay tuned with my channel Stars Educate Learn by Passion and be kind enough to like my channel and hit that like button. Also share my channel as much as possible. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you so much.